Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in proof video for Camron S. Camron, this is the Trinity console that you sent in for modification. We went ahead and RGH'd it using the Muffin CR4 speedup with the Matrix V1. This is actually the same method that we used on the first console. For anybody else who's out there and following up, bottom line, I think his first send-in service was handled really roughly in the mail, and it started throwing some E74s, and glitching and showing on-screen pixelation, which is indicative of like a failed GPU. So we went ahead and offered to make it right and do a second console at the same cost, or for no additional cost. So we've got Freestyle Dash Launch XEX menu all preloaded up on the USB here. By default, the console is going to start into Freestyle Dash. I've kept it at the lowest resolution setting, 480p, so that when you hook it back up to your TVs, there shouldn't be any resolution support issues. Again, I'm sorry about the other console. I really just wanted to stress that it's nothing that I did to the thing or did incorrectly, but bottom line is it was a kind of an unrelated failure, potentially related to the kind of quirky shipping thing that went on there. So I will go ahead and get this packed up and shipped out to you. It'll leave on Monday, tomorrow, since today's Sunday. Obviously, the mail doesn't run. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy and that this console works out a little better for you. Take care.